Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to fund your account on Sofi. So let's get straight into the video. You got a couple of funding methods. You could do a bank transfer or wire transfer. You could have debit card deposits, or you could have mobile deposits. Now let's get straight into each one. The first is the bank transfer. So what you want to do is to log into your Sofi account, and then you want to click on add funds or deposits, and then you want to select bank transfer as the funding method, and then enter your bank account information, and then confirm the transfer amount and details, and then all you got to do is just wait for the funds to be transferred. That typically takes between 2 to 3 business days. The second method is to fund through wire transfer. So what you want to do here is to log into your Sofi account, and then click on add funds or deposits, and then you want to select wire transfer as the funding method, and then obtain the wire transfer instructions from Sofi, and then initiate the wire transfer from your bank, and then all you got to do is just wait for the funds to be transferred. Now this could happen same day, or it could be the next business day. Now for the third method, that's the debit card deposit. So what you want to do is to first log into your Sofi account, and then you want to click on add funds or deposits, and then select debit card deposit as the funding method, and then just enter your debit card information, and confirm the deposit amount and details, and just wait for the funds to be deposited. Now this is an instant thing, so as soon as you have that steps covered, you're gonna receive your funds immediately. Now for the fourth funding method, this is the mobile deposit. Now what you want to do is to log into your Sofi mobile app, and then tap on add funds or deposits, and then you want to select mobile deposit as the funding method. Now all you got to do is just take a photo of the check and confirm the deposit amounts and details, and just wait for the funds to be deposited. Now this could happen the same day, or it could be the next business day. Now that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because it helps us out so very much. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.